So one of our struggles since we've been here is finding a coffee maker, a drip coffee maker. I think we found it, and a bunch of other things. So TV, and did you find some hair care? Or not hair care, but
hairstyling tools, because I already blew up the blow dryer. Even with the adapter converter, I still blew up the blow dryer.
Yeah. So, everything's not necessarily converting. Phones are fine, but other than that, it's been a rough go of it. But we found a spot. This is our first stop on our shopping spree today. Neptune is the appliance store that we're at. Peace.